हेलो एवरीवन। आज का मेरा टॉपिक है स्मार्टफोन एडिक्शन। एज वी नो दैट टुडे टाइम everyone use the smartphone, so that time I am using the smartphone addiction project. First you will have installed this library. I always use this library and then import the library. This is the data set path, so you can um, download it, GitHub account or Kaggle account. This is the name of the dataset phone addiction, so you can easily download. So this is the data. The data is all categorical data. There is full name, time span, gender, do you use your phone, click picture. So all are yes and no. Column values yes and no. All column values have yes and no. So there is a 21 rows and 21 column and 5 rows. The next one is the information. So the all data are object type. This one is all data. Now describe. So it describe the value. Count unique value and top and frequency. The next one is the check the value. If there is any null value, so there is no any null value. Using the SQL preprocessor labor encoder, which convert the category data into numeric way. So first column, I have select some column which is used, and some column I have dropped. So this is the gender. First we need the gender, so it convert yes no, and so you can see the gender is converted 1112. There is 4 values, prefer not say also. The next column I am using, do you worry about losing your cell phone, where I pass the first we create the method LE labor encoder, where we pass, then I pass the df dataset name, and this is the column name, then method dot fit transform, and then again pass the column name. So the output is, so it convert the value, this one. The next one is same, do you take your phone to bathroom, method, then pass the column name and fit the transform, then again pass. The output is the output like this. This one is 11001. Mostly all data are yes and no format. Next is the next column is same, are you on phone while watching the TV or eating. Now output is, so this is the output. This one is the output. The next one is, do you have panic attack if you leave your phone elsewhere? It also working. The same process. There is a 6 column I have choose. So it changed the column. Okay. And next is the whether you are addicted to a phone. So it converted. This one you can see. These are the column which I have chosen in data set. Now I drop the column. Which column I do not need. So first column I drop this time stamp. I do not time is stamp and full name. So there is no need to time. It's working. So you can see that it removed 2 columns, time stamp and full name. So gender look like this. Now next is I am drop the next column. This is the, do you use phone, click picture or class note? There is no need. Look book access from your mobile and phone battery also. The next one is if phone die out of run or charger. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no need. So how can we drop this column? You know that Python always index start with 0 and goes to the -1. So I have need gender, so 0. So I I have started 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 column. So I will take extra 1 column 5 because it take -1. Python always 0 to -1. So this one is the, and then next I have skipped the 2 column because this is the need worry about losing. Then I am using next. So 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. So this is the 9 column I have taken. The output is, so you can see the columns are changed. Sorry, remove column are removed. The remaining column we again use the drop function. So these are these 3 value need. So 0, 1, 2, then 3 start for the 3, 4, 5, 6, then skip 1 column 6, then 8, 9 and 10. So you can see the 6, 8, 9, 10. So this is the output. So every column which do not need, remove it. Now this is the actual data set. Now check the unique value, gender unique value. So there are 4 unique value: male, female, prefer not set, and one is more. The next one is see the box plot where I pass the do you worry about the losing your phone to get a visualization looking that. So box plot, do you worry about the losing yourself? So you can see the option. The next one is the drop the column. Draw in X value training and testing data. So we use the X df dot drop, and there I pass the column name whether you are addicted to phone, and X is equal 1, it means column, and Y I pass the same column name. So output is this. Prefer not set 2 means prefer not set column name, and 1 for male. The next one is the import the pre-processing where I pass the training and testing module, and from sklearn model selection train and testing, and then using the pre-processing standard scalar. Standard scalar used for the pre-processing technique and used for the standardized feature by renaming the mean or scaling the unit tech variance. So first we run it working. Now X train, Y train, and Y test and Y train. There I pass the X Y test size 0.2, मतलब 80% training and 20% testing data, and random state 0. Now look the after training testing data. So train dot shape and Y train dot shape the output. So you can see there is a 5 column and 400 rows, and training shape Y training shape is 400 rows. The next same thing is normalizing the data. So there I using X train, and there I pass sc is a method name. This one is the method I have created, and fit transform where I pass the X train and print the X train. So after transform the data, it's look like this. Same is a X test data fit transform X test. So the output is the mostly this first row is same after testing, but this one is the difference line. Second row is the difference output. Now next I am using the model. So these are the k neighbor classifier. In this project I have used different types of models. This is the method KNN, K neighbor classifier, where I pass n neighbor equal 5. So you can pass parameter, you can pass and next is the fit the train and testing the X train and Y train. Now prediction, predict. So it show the this is the variable name, then it is method, and then give the predict X test data. So extract data. Output is the array format 10. Now check the accuracy. So you can see that there is the 84% accuracy from matrix. Import accuracy. Now so this is the math variable. I have created accuracy score where I pass the y test data and y predict is the variable name. Now you can use this one method or you can use this one. If I am using print f accuracy, 2f is a mostly format specifier numerical value, and we use the floating point number. It show the floating point number, that's why we use it. So you can use which is suitable for you. So it's give you the accuracy is point wise 84.60%. The next one is the random forest. Next model is working. Now is a variable create method rf and random forest where an estimator is 100 and random is give the 42, and then use the rf dot fit where I pass x train and y train, so it give the random state 42. Now predict the data. So this create a variable name and this is the method, and then predict the x data. So it's look like this 10. It's same like 1010, and this one is 10. There is no any difference. Same one is the check the accuracy. So it give the 86%. Okay, you can also use this one. So it give the random forest 86. It show you 2f means it show you floating point number. The next one is sport vector machine. Next model where I pass the kernel equal svm, and there is a support vector classifier, kernel equal linear and random state same 42. So it's working. Then fit svm dot fit x train and y train data. So it show you output. Now create the predict the data. So after predicting the data, the output is this. Now same is check the accuracy. So this is the variable name, and where I pass the y test and y read, this is the also variable, and y test and print the value. So it gives the 83%. The next model is linear model, linear regression. So create the method logistic LR where I pass logistic regression and then fit the data x train and y train. So it shows the, now this is the variable name y predict, and there I pass the method name LR and dot predict x test data. So this is the data after testing. And next one is check the accuracy. So this is the accuracy. It show the 80 point 60. The next model is decision tree. So decision excellent or tree import decision classifier DT is method and create where I random state 42 and then fit the X train and Y train. So this is the output. Then now predict the data. This is the variable name and this is the method where I pass predict and extract data. So after testing, the output is like this. Check the accuracy. So decision tree accuracy is 85.15%. Now next one is the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix where we use the check the accuracy also how the true positive and predict the label true label and predict label. So there is a 62 29 and this one 0 0 means not and 1 is positive and I am using the distribution plot. So where is a variable name, then pass the confusion matrix and where I pass by test and by predict and then this is the name very and ti is you can take anything, then pass the confusion matrix and then where pass the parameter confusion matrix equal to cm. This is the this variable name and print this plot. I showed the this look like a distribution plot. We using the distribution plot and then plt dot show. The next one is the report. You can say the total report how is the accuracy of all module. So this is the all module I have used so the accuracy total score is random forest give the score is 68%, decision tree have 85, k neighbor is 84 and logistic regression is also 84 and support vector machine is 83%. So this is the project about the smartphone addiction and there is the prediction of all models. So hope you like it. Thank you.